Let's talk tree stands, guys. Now, I'm all about hang-ons. Those are probably my favorite thing to hunt out of. Now, I don't know if you guys can tell, but this thing's probably 12 feet, 13 feet off the ground here. Literally 2 sticks, 2.5 sticks to get up there. So, I mean, 10 feet off the ground. Anyway, but as far as you guys are concerned, like, you do not need to have your tree stand 25, 30 feet in the air. The number one most important thing about hanging your tree stand, cover. Cover, cover, cover. You want to be behind cover. It doesn't matter where the cover is on the tree, just make sure you're behind it. Okay? Let me just get back here for a second. Just for an example. Okay, look, if I had this tree stand another 5 feet higher to where like it was like super clear and I had more shot opportunities, the deer would pick me out left and right. Get yourself in the cover, and you only need like 2 to 3 shooting lanes. That's all you need. Do not worry about having wide open lanes. You want to be behind the cover. I promise you'll get away with a lot more movement, and the deer ain't gonna pick you off like that. Your silhouette's hidden. And so it's really not so much about cover behind you. The cover in front of you, I think, is a little better. There's a lot of different scenarios, but whatever you can make work. So, yeah, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm excited to try my saddle out this year. Everyone, I want to see what the hype's all about for saddle hunting. If you guys have any tips on saddle hunting, please reach out to me. If you have any questions about tree stands, where to put them, hit me up. Just make sure you always have a mock scrape. Mock scrape at all your tree stand locations, guys. I'm telling you, game changer for bow season. Those bucks love checking them during the rut. So, if you guys have any questions, put them down in the comments. Like, subscribe, and whenever we get to, let's say, 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna do a sick giveaway. I'm not even sure what the giveaway is yet, but it's gonna be sick, I promise you. Give me some ideas and I'll ball out. So, knock them out.